Quest 600 running on a 20 volt Black & Decker battery. All I did was took it apart, unplugged it, cut the wires, drilled a hole through the top, run the wires out, and then put it in a positive and negative on a 20 volt battery. I don't know how long it's going to last, but it's running right now. Once it works a little while, I'll go ahead and take and put a mount on it. But beats buying a $70 battery. Hope you enjoy it.